Here we have question 8 from homework 11. Y prime prime plus y equals secant x. So we are going to solve this using variation of parameters. We'll first write this in the operator form. The homogeneous version of this is what we will write in the operator form in order to find the elements of the fundamental set of solutions, FSH, fundamental set of solutions to the homogeneous version. So we know that the elements which correspond to the operator form, which looks like d squared plus 1, are cosine x and sine x. So yc is the linear combination of these elements. yc is all linear combinations of these elements. That is, c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants here in this statement. And yp, we will say, is some function multiple of these same functions of x. That wording wasn't perfect, but you can see what I mean here. This is a function u of x, this is u2 of x. We're multiplying cosine x and sine x by these things in order to find yp. So the way we will find u and u2 will be to use the Wronskian. So u prime is u prime sub I is w sub I over w. In this case, w is the determinant of the matrix of cosine x negative sine x, and then sine x cosine x. So it is this function in the first place, its derivative in this other place, this function in this place, and then the derivative of this function in this place. So the determinant of this, cosine squared plus sine squared, is 1. Now w1 is 0, and then, did I label this? No, I probably should have labeled it, but this goes, we'll call this right here in our wording without having written it out, j of x, or f of x. So w1 is 0 f of x, and then everything else is the same. It's the same as the Wronskian. w2, you move over here to this column and you put 0 f of x, and then everything else is the same. So the determinants of these matrices, you can see here, negative sine times secant is, let's see, 0 minus secant times sine, which is sine over cosine, which is tangent, so negative tan x. This becomes cosine times 1 over cosine is 1. So u1 is w1 over w, which is negative tan x. So u1 is the integral of tan x, which is natural log of absolute value cosine x. u2 prime is 1, because 1 over 1 is 1. u2 is x. yp, therefore, is u1 times cosine x plus u2 times sine x, and y is yc plus yp.